Hello guys, so today's vlog, I have a quick balance and connection regarding the Canon R8 with the DJI RS3 Mini. So I checked already guys in the compatibility list in DJI RS3 Mini, but the R8 is not compatible with the Bluetooth. So I tried today with the Bluetooth and it's worked fine. So I'm gonna show you how to connect the DJI RS3 Mini with your Canon R8. So again guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, tutorial, and comparison. Yan. So without further ado, let's start. So I have here the RS3 Mini R8 with a plate. So first we need to make a position. So guys, I am in a balancing position. Yan. Okay, stop plate. Already pre-balance already guys. So yan. Lock. Okay, still heavy. See. Yan. Okay. Okay. Next is this part. Actually because I balance already. Actually. Yan. So okay guys. Lock. Actually I balance already. So it balance. Uh First, you need to turn on the DJI RS3 Mini. Yeah, it's a green, meaning it's balanced. Okay, then I will go with the camera, on the camera. Okay, so I will connect now the camera via Bluetooth, the camera to the RS3 Mini. So guys, after you turn on the RS3 Mini, it's already balanced. Next, you go to the camera, go with the menu settings. Here, you have the connection settings. Number one, you have the connect to wireless remote. So open the connect wireless mode, add device to connect. Add and pairing in progress. Go with the RS3 Mini. Okay. Bluetooth. Okay. You have seen here the EOS R8. So click with the EOS R8 and see, let's wait for a minute. Now it's connected. See, Bluetooth connected. Even here, paired with the DJI RS3 Mini, the 049. So make okay. Now it's connected. Let's try to take see video. It's not showing. Okay, sorry. It's recording. So this is a recording by guys. See, you can see the record button, record, and record. See, record. It's a recording already. And it's compatible via Bluetooth, guys. So again, if you want to check the price and availability of this product, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.